Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can use Surfshark without having to pay for a subscription. Now, Surfshark is not entirely free, but there is a way to use it for 37 days at no cost, and I'll be showing you exactly how to do so. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, you may be wondering if Surfshark is currently free, but unfortunately, it is not. But Surfshark does offer a 7-day free trial. This trial is the first step in getting more than a month for Surfshark for free. The trial includes all of the app's features. As long as you cancel before the trial ends, you won't be charged for a subscription. The trial is available on Android, iOS, and Mac, and can also be activated on Windows and Linux. So as long as you have a mobile phone, you're ready to go. Now keep in mind you can only take advantage of the trial once. To get the 7-day free trial, download the app from either the Google Play Store or the Apple Play Store, open the app, select a plan, and agree to the 7-day trial. You will not be charged, but the subscription will be registered in your Google Play or Apple Store account. To retain the free trial, cancel the subscription by disabling auto renewal in the App Store before the trial ends. That way you'll get to keep using the trial for free without being charged for the extra month. On top of the 7-day free trial, Surfshark also offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. This means you can test the service for a total of 37 days before choosing whether or not to keep it. But keep in mind, to qualify for the refund, you must purchase the subscription without using Google Play or Apple Play. To take advantage of this, go to Surfshark's website and sign up for a plan for your choice. And just in case you want to keep using Surfshark after your 37th day is over, but don't want to spend a lot of money, you can get your hands on our exclusive deal that isn't available anywhere else by clicking the link down in the description below. This special offer will give you 3 months for free, saving you 83% in total. So don't miss out on this special deal that can't be found anywhere else. So once you made your payment, your 30-day refund period begins. You can use Surfshark for as long as you want within that month, but if you choose to request a refund, it must be done before the 30 days are up. If you pay through Google Play, App Store, or another retailer, they will handle the refund process, so you should contact them directly. But keep in mind the refund process may take a couple of days, so don't wait until the last minute. And be aware that there are a lot of fake and malware-ridden versions of Surfshark circulating online, so it's important to download the official app from their website to be sure. In the end, it's not worth risking your device's security for a slight chance of saving a little bit of money. So that's it for this video. Again, if you're interested in Surfshark, you'll find our exclusive discount deal in the description down below. And feel free to comment down below if you have any questions, as I love getting to interact with you guys. And like and subscribe if you found this video helpful or would like to stay up to date with future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.